Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 1. The last chapter that is called bank reconciliation statement chapter is going on. And in this chapter, the last video I taught you the theoretical part as well as some practical parts from illustrations. Also maybe one or two exercise sums also I have done. Now today page number 291 of question number 6 as well as the 7 both I will solve on the board. One by one you try to follow it and try to understand. 6 and 7, these two exercise question number is little difficult. For that I want to do it. You pay attention one by one. Let me start first from the 6th. Bank balance as per passbook of Gaurang as on 31st 3/16 was rupees 10,000, which does not tally with the bank balance as per the cash book. Following information is obtained while comparing the cash book and passbook. Prepare the BRS bank reconciliation statement. The bank balance as per passbook of rupees 10,000 as on 31st 3/16 in the books of Gaurang it is given. I wrote in the books of Gaurang bank reconciliation statement as on 31st 3/16. Now I have to write it the first opening starting balance which is given bank balance as per passbook of rupees 10,000. So we write it here bank balance as per passbook. Now question if it is coming in your mind, shall I write in debit column or in credit column? Obviously nothing is given means passbook credit column, which is called the favorable balance. Now one by one we will say, so it is clear. If it is given bank balance as per cash book, it comes in debit side. If it is given bank balance as per passbook, it comes in the credit side. This is called normal balance. Abnormal balance और ओवरड्राफ्ट होगा तो प्लेस चेंज हो जाएगा. Now one by one I told you that every entry you will find out it is recorded in one book and it is not recorded in another book. मतलब it will be either it is debited but not credited or credited but not debited. Which is not done, that we will do it. Check out with 7,000 is drawn and recorded in the cash book but not given to the creditors. Drawn means you have given मतलब issues. A check out with 7,000 is drawn and recorded in the cash book. Cash book में record हुआ मतलब cash book में credit हुआ, but is not debited. So check issued but not presented for payment. That means it was credited but not debited. We will write in the debit card. Next number 2, a check of rupees 12,000 was deposited with the bank on 29/3/16. 29/3/16 में एक चेक आपने जमा किया था कैश बुक में बैंक में. So you should debit. I do not know which is credited by the bank on 1/4. So it is debited but not credited. 1/4 मतलब not credited. So this is 12,000 you have to write in the credit column. Check deposited but not credited in the passbook. You can write or you cannot write as you wish. Number 3, bank has paid rupees 6,000 for insurance premium. Bank has paid मतलब bank debited, which is known to Gaurang on 1/4. Which is 1/4 means it is not known. तो बैंक डेबिट किया, I have to credit it. How much? The 6,000. What is this? The 6,000 is insurance premium. Insurance premium is paid by bank but not recorded, not recorded in the कैश बुक, कैश बुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. It is debited but not credited. A customer has deposited directly with the bank of rupees 5,000 which is not recorded in the cash book. Directly deposited a customer मतलब bank, it was credited but not debited. You have to debit it. Number 4. Directly deposited check by customer but not recorded in the cash book. This is number 5. Bank has credited the interest of rupees 200 and recorded in the passbook but not recorded in the cash book. Recorded in the cash book, recorded in the not recorded in the passbook, or maybe the reverse. Then you should take the decision. Recorded in the cash book means whether it is a debit or it is a credit. Bank has credited interest. The bank credit kiya, I should debit it. Number 5. How much? 200. What for? Interest. Interest was credited but not recorded in the cash book. Number 6. A check of rupees 6700 deposited with the bank is dishonored, of which the information is received on 1/4/16. Check deposit हुआ था and that became dishonored. When we deposited, it was debited and it was credited by the bank. Now when dishonored हो गया, the bank was debited, I should credit it. So 6700 is, we should write in the credit column. Check dishonored but not recorded in the cash book. Number 7. Check drawn for rupees 18,000, but out of this check, the 6,000 were presented for payment till 31st. मतलब 31st मार्च तक 6,000 का क्लियर हो गया. 31st March तक out of the 18,000, 6,000 was clear. Only the 12,000 it is recorded in one book but not recorded in another book. Check drawn of rupees 18,000, but out of this check of rupees 6,000 were presented for payment, which amount is recorded in one book, not recorded in another book. That amount we should take. So check of rupees 12,000 actually, because 6,000 it is clear for both the books. It was drawn, although it was credited but not debited. How much? 12,000. We should debit 12,000. And you write here check issued but not presented for payment. Number 8. Check out rupees 32,000 was deposited in the bank. Out of this check out rupees 7,000 are credited in the passbook. Same case. यहाँ डिपोजिट हुआ था लेकिन 7,000 ही चेक विच इज क्रेडिटेड इन द, तो 32 माइनस 7 इक्वल टू 25. 25,000 चेक डेबिट हुआ, क्रेडिट नहीं हुआ. चेक deposited but not credited by the bank. Number 9. A check on rupees 1800 was deposited with the bank, which is not recorded in the cash book. You deposited but you had forgotten in your cash book. It was not debited. So you have to debit it. Check out rupees 1,800 was deposited in the bank, which is not recorded in the cash book. Check deposited but not credited by the bank. Same meaning na? Check of rupees 1,000, sorry, not debited. Check of rupees 1,800 was deposited in the bank, which is not recorded in the cash book. Not credited, not debited. Not debited in the cash book. Number 9 is over. And number 10, last one. Bank debited 20 for passbook for bank charges, which is not recorded in the cash book. Bank debit के तो हमको credit करना है. What for? The check bank debited for bank charges. Write it here. Bank charges debited by bank but not recorded in cash book. That's all 10 we have done. Now the last part is there. You have to find out the balance. How we will find out the balance? Every one of you know. I told that one, which side is more? Approximately you see it here, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24, 25. But here you will get 22 plus 6, 28. This side is more, already 25,000 is here. So how much is adding? And we are getting here 20. Second, third is 7 plus 5, 12. 12 means 2, 1 in your hand. 1 in your hand, this is 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 5, 25. 5, 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 65,220. 22, 28, 34, 34, 39, something, somewhere I have done mistakes, I think so. But while I am doing adding, that is there somewhere we have done the mistakes. This is 2. In the third digit is coming only 7. 7, yes. And fourth digit is coming 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5, 19. 1 in your hand. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. This is coming. 59,000. Even though you check it, if there is a mistake. Okay. And this is how much comes. Let me write it here. Now, already you understood the question number 6 of page number 291. There the total 10 points are there. All the 10 points where the debit amount will come and where the credit amount will come, that I have already written it. Now we are going to find out the balance either in debit column or in credit column. I told you which side is more, that side will add first. This side is more. If I add, I will get 59,720. And if I add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 amounts, this is already 2 amounts I added together. 12,000 plus 200 is equal to 12,200. And if I add, we are getting 26,000. So total 26,000 is the total amount of the debit column, and 59,720 is the total amount of the credit column. And if I subtract, I will get 33,720. That is your answer. And as I started in this passbook, the answer will come from the cash book. I will tell you, it is not at all hard. You have to keep it in mind. It is so easy only, but you have to make practice so that you can understand how we are doing. Let me do the one more sum, which is the question number 7 of page number 291. Page number 291 of question number 7. There are the total 12 points are there. This illustration exercise just like the illustration like one. If you are understanding that illustration, this also you will be able to understand. Let us see what is given. Cash book of Sri Aditya shows the bank balance of rupees 9,000 on 31st 10 15. 31st 10 मतलब October 15 आदित्य का बैंक बैलेंस. It is given bank balance of rupees 9,000, which does not tell you with the bank balance as per the passbook. So bank balance as per the cash book. Cash book balance of rupees 9,000. So we write it here. This is 9,000. Now all the points whatever you have to write in the particular columns, statement that you write in your own language, that I am not writing, that you make practice how to write it. The amount where it will come, that I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are the amount column. Amount I will write it, that you will try to understand where it will go. Okay? Number 1. The check of rupees 5,100 were deposited. If I read up to this, you should understand that check deposited means it was debited in the cash book, or it should be debited. Now let us see who has done, who has not done. This is the main thing. If I read up to this check of rupees 5,100 were deposited, that means I should debit in the cash book first. But whether I have done or not done, or whether I have done, bank has not done, or maybe I have not done, bank has done, that let me see the remaining part. Out of which check of this 41,000 was credited in the bank till 31st. मतलब 51 का अंदर 41 तक दोनों बुक में रिकॉर्ड हो चुका. एक में डेबिट हो गया, तो डेबिट 51,000 दोनों कैश बुक में हो गया, क्रेडिट ओनली पासबुक में हुआ 31st 10 15 तक. तो कैश बुक में क्रेडिट 10,000 नहीं हुआ. तो ओनली क्रेडिट 10,000 का debited but not credited. Clear? Like that. Second one, check of rupees 2300 were drawn and recorded in the cash book but not yet given to the creditors. देखो चेक drawn किया and it is recorded in the cash book में record हो गया. That means it was credited but not debited. How much? 2,300. We have to debit 2,300. Credited in the cash book or by the traders, but not debited, but not debited in the passbook by the bank people. Clear? Next, bank has paid rupees 1,700 for insurance premium through electronic clearing services, that is NEFT, which is not recorded in the cash book. Bank has paid 1,700 means bank it was debited, but I did not credit it. So I have to, it was debited in the passbook but not credited in the cash book. This is bank has paid 1,700 for the insurance premium through electronic clearing services, which is not recorded in the cash book. It was debited but not credited. A customer has deposited 3,200 directly in Aditya's bank account, which is known to him on 2nd of November. 2nd November is date is crossing, मतलब not known. So customer debited has directly deposited 3,200 to the Aditya's bank account. मतलब it was credited by the bank but not debited. How much? 3,200 is not debited. Debited. Next is coming number 5. Bank charges recorded by the bank 70. Bank charges recorded by bank 70 is recorded twice in the cash book by mistake. Bank charges recorded by the bank, मतलब bank debited, I should credit, but it is recorded twice in the cash book. I credited, but by mistake I credited twice. 2 बार क्रेडिट हो गया, तो एक बार क्रेडिट ज़्यादा हो गया तो मेरे को डेबिट कर देना है. It is credited wrongly but not debited. Next, number 6. A check of rupees 6,750 deposited with the bank on 27th October 15 is dishonored. This information of which is received by Aditya on 1st of November. Check of rupees 6,750 deposited with the bank on 27/10. When we deposited, that time I debited, bank credited. After that it became regional, means bank debited, I should credit it. But which was recorded by I credited, but I credited late. Although I did not credit 6750. Next, check out which 4780 were drawn, out of which check out which 1770 was presented in bank on 2nd of November. 4,780 रुपये का चेक ड्रॉन किया. When I drawn the check, it was credited in the cash book, and this out of that 1770 were presented. मतलब मैंने क्रेडिट किया, बैंक को डेबिट करना था, but bank debited 1770 मतलब on 2nd of November मतलब not debited 1770 बैंक डेबिट किया, लेट किया. चेक आउट ऑफ 4780 credited but 1770 debited in the bank on 2nd of November. After the date, if it is recorded, we should consider it is not recorded. Number 8. Check of rupees 1320 was deposited in the bank, but it is not recorded in the cash book. Deposit किया traders को ही पहले लिखना था, but traders से नहीं लिखा. This check is not collected by the bank on till 31st 2015. Number 8, there is no entry. Both the books it was not recorded, and here you have to write it here that no entry. That you have to mention it here. Don't miss the after 7, 9. The 8 number when it will come, there you have to write no entry. If you are not writing this, we will think you do not know. Why it is no entry? Now check out rupees 1320 was deposited in the bank, but it is not recorded in the cash book. I deposited, but I had forgotten to write in the cash book. Means it was not recorded in the cash book. This check is not collected by the bank on 31st October. Bank ने नहीं record किया, so it was not recorded in the both the books. So it will not create any problem for difference amount. Or if it is recorded in the both the books, that also will not create any problem in both the books. Number 9. 9 is given. Bank has credited 130 for interest and debited 60 for bank charges in the passbook, which is not recorded in the cash book. बैंक क्रेडिट किया तो हमको डेबिट करना है 9 में, और बैंक डेबिट किया तो हमको क्रेडिट करना है. देखो 130 क्रेडिट किया एंड 60 डेबिट किया, तो 130 क्रेडिट किया तो मैंने डेबिट कर दिया, 160 डेबिट किया तो हमको क्रेडिट करना है. टोटल ऑफ द रिसीट साइड ऑफ द कैश बुक इज ओवरकास्ट. कैश बुक का रिसीट साइड मतलब डेबिट साइड. कैश बुक का रिसीट साइड मीन्स डेबिट साइड. कैश बुक का डेबिट साइड में मतलब कैश बुक वाज डेबिटेड बाई 900 मोर, तो मेरे क्रेडिट डेबिट ज़्यादा हुआ, क्रेडिट नहीं हुआ. रिसीट साइड ऑफ द कैश बुक मीन्स डेबिट साइड, पेमेंट साइड ऑफ द कैश बुक मीन्स क्रेडिट साइड. अभी पेमेंट साइड ज़्यादा होता तो क्रेडिट ज़्यादा होता तो डेबिट में लिखना है. बिल रिसीवेबल ऑफ ₹1200 discounted with the bank is dishonored on 28/10/15, and the bank debited this amount with the noting charges of ₹20, but for entry for the dishonor is made in the cash book, is not made in the cash book till 31st 10. बिल डिजोनर होगा तो नोटिंग चार्ज ऐड होके क्रेडिट करना है. बिल डिजोनर होगा तो नोटिंग चार्ज ऐड होके क्रेडिट करना है 1220. और बिल रिसीवेबल और बिल्स पेबल में रिबेट मिलेगा तो माइनस करना है. दैट यू कीप इन माइंड. दिस 2 पॉइंट, लास्ट 2 पॉइंट विल क्रिएट द प्रॉब्लम. बिल रिसीवेबल डिजोनर होगा तो नोटिंग चार्ज ऐड होकर क्रेडिट करना है. बिल्स पेबल्स मैच्योर होगा पर पेमेंट नहीं हुआ तो जो रिबेट अमाउंट दैट यू शुड डिडक्ट. Bills payable of ₹700 maturing after 1 month was retained by the bank under the rebate of ₹30 on 30/10/15, which is not recorded in the cash book. ये भी क्रेडिट होगा लेकिन 70 minus 30 sorry 700 minus 30 is equal to 670. A, this amount is 1200 plus 20 and this amount is 700 minus 30 is equal to 670. बिल्स पेबल रिबेट अमाउंट माइनस करना है, क्रेडिट कॉलम में लिखना है, और बिल रिसीवेबल नोटिंग चार्ज ऐड करके क्रेडिट में लिखना है. दिस इज द मेन थिंग्स व्हाट आई हैड टोल्ड यू. नाउ एवरी वन ऑफ यू नो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द बैलेंस. Which side is more, that side you have to add fast. Now I 15 आता है. This is 11 plus 6, 17. So yeah, here this side is more. Now last digit 0. Second one, second 5. अच्छा 11. 13 और साथे 20. 2 साथ पे 9 साथे 16 से 26 25 27 3 मतलब लो 3 और 4 3 कौन सा डिजिट है 3 4 6 10 11 के 2 और एक बार चेक करना पड़ेगा मेरे को. Let me write it here so that I can understand. 1,700, 6,750. This is 960 exactly that right? 960, and this is 1,220, and this is nothing else. This is coming 6 के 8 पर 13. हाँ सेकंड 6 5 that was also mistakes. No, 6 7 was 6 no. This is 6 7 0. Now how much is coming? 5 अच्छा 11 12 13 से तो इसका तो 2 या 7 9 9 से 16 26 25 26 26 27 28 29 30 31 3 मतलब 3 6 10 11 21,300 correct. Now this side 9,11,300. This is 3,270. 3,270. This is 1,770 and 130. 26,470 ठीक है सर. लेकिन आया करना है 4 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 16. It comes 21,300 minus 16,470. 7 3 1 5 और 1 4830. 4830 will come in here. 4830. This is 21,300. And you have to write it here. This is cash book means passbook. You have to write it here. Bank balance as per passbook. Is that it? Cash book, debit or passbook. This is here you have to write OD over there. See, I have done it for adding. If there is a mistake for add list, that charge please. Now your answer is correct. Back answer from your book I have seen. The answer is 4,830. Correct? So this is the way to do the BRS. You follow this video 1 or 2 times. Once is not enough. Even though if you do not understand at any place, you can tell me. Next video I will teach you another type of sum from this chapter. Okay? Bye. All the best.